brand new day. We got a brand new design. You guys will have to check this one out once it's done engraving. Alright, I'm at Lowe's here, gonna run in, gotta pick up a few things for Tom. We got a project off of Thumbtack that got a bit of a deadline for here. We gotta get done pretty quickly, but let me run in here. Alright, that's what we need. And also some plastic putty knives. Alright, got these as well. Let's roll out of here. Alright, rolling out, we'll catch you back at the shop. Up on the shop. All right, just pulled this off the engraver. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, it is a brand new day. Let me go ahead and show you today's product listing. This is what we got. These are available on our website right now. They're linked on the channel as always as well. Automatically does that, so yep, check them out. Then we also got a big delivery in here. Comment what you think it is. You'll find out pretty soon. Couple new designs here. That one Tom did, and I did these ones. Well, we purchased the designs off of a seller from Etsy, but I'm the one that actually painted and then engraved the designs. But yeah, what do you think of those two? They'll be on our website soon, and also at all of the upcoming events that we have. So check that out. Anyway, got another thing running on the laser in here. Got to keep it running because we are getting real close to our very first event of the end of the summer and into the fall season here. Just got the laser cleaned, freshly cleaned actually, and all greased up. You may be able to see the grease along the track up there. But anyway, we got it running super smooth and super well. Got a couple different fall coaster designs here that we're doing. These two are from that design pack I was telling you about that we got off of Etsy. Actually, I'll probably go ahead and just link that in the description below to go ahead and give them that shout out. But Tom designed those. What do y'all think of those? We have to get some coasters on the website. We actually have a ton of different designs, so we definitely need to do that here pretty soon. Alright, that's it for in the house here. Let's go out to the actual shop and check out a couple things in there. Alright, got some cabinets Tom's working on for a Thumbtack order. Also got that third light that we had from Lowe's installed here in the garage, so it is like way brighter in here. The lighting is so much better, and honestly, I'm wanting to get some more lights in here eventually as well, so that way it's just absolutely bright as day in here. But yeah, just want to show you guys that. All right, now I'm gonna be working on burning some framing material. Just like you can see that one there. Got a bunch more right up here. I'll be working on burning that with the blowtorch. got that done. Perfect.